That one is.
Digger.
Easter puppies. They getting you?
Digger. Whoa.
They like Jasmine. Look at that.
Yeah, we call this one Digger because she sticks her head where she doesn't belong.
Oh.
Or he. I think it might be a he. Yeah, okay. Can't really tell.
These are, did Grandma say Morkies? Cross between Maltese and Yorkies.
Yeah, I got another one.
Oh, here comes some more.
I think they want to know. Is it Papa?
Get out of there.
Oreo.
No, Pooper is next to Brianna.
Okay.
Oreo.
Then we're gonna get Digger.
Toby, don't. You're gonna exit. Oh, help.
I think that is by you.
Did it get you?
Yeah. They're getting my pinky. Hello.
Well, if you have $600, we can have one.
Nice.
We can steal one from them.
Right.
But we're family. Don't we get some kind of a discount?
Yeah, no.
Hiya.
Someone's got to make your money.
Digger.
Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I like Oreo.
How come you're not holding one, Tobe?
Toby,
He doesn't know how to hold them right.
I got a
He
biter.
holds them from the neck.
And where's this one?
Oh, Vaya.
Okay, that one is good.
Sugar.
I found
Do
Digger.
you need some kisses?
There you go, Dazzy. Hi.
Hi, Oreo. This one's getting me again.
I don't want Digger. I don't want
We can
Digger.
call this one Bitey. Look.
Ah, Brianna, take this one.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Oreo. Is this one a girl or a boy?
Toby, let
Couldn't
Oreo-
tell ya.
Toby, let Oreo inside. She doesn't like it.
Say hi. Oh, we're there. Ow, ow.
You don't bite on Digger.
This one's wicked.
Oh, I got one. Digger bite me. And bite. Digger bite me.
Jasmine, they're all puppies. They don't know